Stop blaming Python for being slow. It's not the language, it's how you use it. Today, we challenged the CPU with heavy trigonometry, calculating sine times cosine for 10 million data points. First, the baseline. The pure Python loop struggles, taking 3.6 seconds to finish. In high-performance computing, that is an eternity. Next, we switch to NumPy. It vectorizes the math and brings the time down to 0.52 seconds. Much better, but we can do more. Enter Numba. With just one line of code, we compile this to machine language, dropping the time to 0.09 seconds. That is 5 times faster than NumPy. But here is the nuclear option. CuPy on a T4 GPU. We move the data to VRAM and let it fly. Boom. 0.003 seconds. That is 170 times faster than NumPy. The math didn't change, only the hardware did. Stop using lists. Subscribe to Lovnish Verma for more.